Hello everyone, I hope you are doing okay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage the links between the quotations and also between the quotes in ATLAS.ti. So let me open the project. Okay, this is our project. To open Link Manager, I just click on Links button. Basically, Link Manager is a tool that can help us to manage the links between the quotes and also between the quotations. And because I would like to start with the links between quotations, I just click on hyperlinks and focus on the links between the quotations. So there are 6 links between quotations in this project. They have been listed in the link panel here, and this panel has a few columns. The first 3 are very important: the source, the relation, and the target column. So focusing on the first one, quotation 4.2 is the source quotation, which explains quotation 3.1 as the target quotation. Alright, also here you can see a panel for the comments and a panel for different relationship types that can be considered between quotations in a project. Basically, this list serves as a filter. So you can see that out of 6 links between the quotations, 1 is a support link, and if I click on that, you can see the link here in this panel. All right, now there are a few possibilities here. If I right click on any of the links between the quotations, I can simply cut the link by selecting this option. Alternatively, I can select a link between 2 quotations and then click on cut links. So let me cut the link between quotation 4.3 and 4.2 by clicking on this button. Now I have 5 links in this project. The other possibility is that you can flip the link between 2 quotations by right clicking on the link and selecting flip. Note that flipping a link means changing the direction of the relationship between 2 quotations. So right now quotation 4.2 supports quotation 3.1, and if I flip this link, then quotation 3.1 will explain quotation 4.2. Again, this option is available here as a button in the ribbon. The third possibility is that you can simply change the type of the relationship between the quotations by right clicking on the link and then selecting any of the options here. For example, right now quotation 8.1 supports quotation 5.2. I can change this to this one, for example. So now quotation 8.1 criticizes quotation 5.2. This feature is also available in the ribbon. So let me just change the type of the relationship between quotation 5.1 and quotation 2.1 by selecting the link and then clicking on this button. Now I can select any of these options. Let's just select this one, justifies. Now quotation 5.1 justifies quotation 2.1. You can also add a comment to any of the links by right clicking on the link and then selecting edit comment. So let me just add a comment. This is a comment for this link. Now I save it and the comment is displayed here. Also note that we don't have the yellow flag for the links. Alright, now let's focus on quote links. Here again you can see that we have 21 links between the quotes in this project and they have been listed here. Again, we have the source, relation, and target columns here. plus a few other columns, but these three are important. So for example, here the code clinic is associated with the code process, and here the code goal is a property of the code success. Again, we have the panel for the comment and also a panel for different relationship types that can be considered between the codes in a project. All right. So the options that we have here are actually the same as the options that we have for the hyperlinks. I can simply cut the link between two codes by right-clicking on the link and then cutting the link. Also, I can select this option. I mean, we just select a link and then clicking on cut links. So let me just cut the link between change and teamwork by clicking on this button. Now I have 20 links in this project. Also, let me flip this relationship between innovation and management. Right now, innovation is a cause of management, and if I right click on this link and then select flip, management will be a cause of innovation. Again, this feature is available here. You can also change the type of the relationship between two codes by right clicking on the link and then selecting this option and then again selecting any of these options that we have here. So let's just change this to a causal relationship. Now management is a cause of reform. So note that this option is available here. Let me just change the type of relationship between goal and success by clicking on this option too. So this time we select maybe contradicts. So goals now the code goal now contradicts the code success. All right. Another possibility is that you can simply modify the relationship types between the codes and also between the quotations by clicking on this button, Relation Manager. Now here you can simply select any of the built-in relationship types between the codes and also between the quotations, and then using these options you can simply modify it. You can also define a new relationship type for quotations by clicking on this button and also for codes. So again, you need to click on this button for the codes. Alright, that's it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create a snapshot from your project. Thank you very much.